Hello everyone, my name is Gerald. Welcome to Studio Ploy.
This is when you bring in together all those elements to create the desired look. It looks easy, but it's one of the most complicated and tricky part. And when executed perfectly, it creates magic. The choice between mountains or beaches had been our point of reference in creating this new space. I hope you guys enjoy this humble coastal scape. It's a bit of a hurdle when you have been given the fullest trust and creative freedom to work on a project without a particular design direction in mind. And the only request was to provide the basic furniture and appliances with certain budget. While this is our second project from the same client, the goal of delivering a better output is our top priority, as expectations were already set after the first project we did. Nonetheless, this one appeared to be easy as I got to play on the overall design direction for the project, not to mention the inclusion of the ceiling for the overall cost. These factors, together with the other matters we encountered, resulted to this modern coastal scape, which our client happily accepted with a seal of approval. It's always fun to work with angel clients, a rare opportunity these days. From being their real estate broker to designing this space, the trust and confidence reposed upon me is something we deeply cherish. And to our valued and kind subscribers, I hope you guys appreciate our first content for 2025. Know that we are forever grateful for your support and for staying with us until this time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.